Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 8th of April, Tuesday, and today was another good day in the markets. We pretty much opened up in line here. The market came a little higher, bounced around a little bit, and then it fell down and then just bounced. Quite a large bounce actually. Today we had 5 trades and pulled 22 points out of the market. So very, very good day today. Our first trade was pretty much off the open. Market open, came down a little bit. That's when we got long. And we were able to ride this up and take profits on the upside here. After that, we did roll it into a short and we did take profits on that. Actually pretty quickly though. We took profits. We were out by this area here. And we see the market obviously came back down, quite a bit lower. And we did get long over here, which we did take profits on. We got long again over here, and we did take profits on it. And we watched things a little bit. We ended up getting short down here, or over here, and riding it down a little bit, taking profits on there. And then kind of watched the market bounce all this way up. It was very, very interesting to see, and it was something we weren't like expecting. It was a possibility, but it wasn't. It's interesting to see the market do something that you're not actually looking for. Once it did start moving up, though, we weren't able to get in it. I was a little too conservative on that, and sometimes it happens. I would rather err on the side of conservation than just be aggressive and get chopped up. But definitely interesting to see that, and then the market kind of rolled over a little bit and moved sideways into lunchtime. Then that was pretty much the day. And that's why I always talk about you want to have consistent profits, because if you're pulling out 1 to 2 points a day, sometimes you're going to have your mammoth days like today, 22 points. And you're going to be able to make a lot of money, and that's really what trading is all about. You lessen your risk as much as possible, so the days that you struggle, you try to make a little bit, and then you're going to have the days where the market just goes in your favor and you're able to just pull out a big chunk of money. And that's really the game plan. I think that's everybody's game plan, is to be able to make money, but you can't have a mammoth day every single day. They're going to come around every now and then, and you want to take advantage of them. But I've had some days where the market moves 20 plus points and I made 1 or 2 points. And you can look at it from different perspectives, but at least you made money. As long as there were good trades and you didn't risk too much to make that money, you're doing okay. And that's really the name of the game, is not to risk too much. You don't want to risk 20 points to make 10 points. You want to risk more like 10 points to make 20 points. Ideally for me, it would be, maybe risk 4 points to make 10 points. That's more along my level. I don't want to risk too much, and 10 points of risk in one trade is definitely much. So anyway, hopefully you got something out of what I talked about. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.